Hey everybody, it's Earl coming to you from MGM Classic Cars in Addison, Illinois, mgmclassiccars.com. I've got an Academy Award winner here for you, so everybody take a seat, grab some popcorn. 1970 Pontiac GTO, numbers matching, 400 4-barrel. Look at this baby, with Ram Air. All functional, air conditioning, power steering, power brakes, all freshened up about 10 years ago. Car came out of Tennessee and it is beautiful. Couple little things I found because I always look, but this is a great investment. Clean, clean, clean. Numbers matching. Take a look. There you go. Could you see that? Ram Air, functional. Here's your hose. Clean. Hang on, let's close this puppy up. There we go. Look at that face. Couple little, this is notorious. They've put about 12,000 miles since it's been done, but that's all that is. This is a plastic piece. Little cracking on there. Rest of it's great. Take a look underneath. Everything works the way it should. Air blows cold. Ram Air is functional. All your glass is good. All your moldings are good. Weather stripping, good. Look how straight this thing is. Great stance. Factory wheels, no paint flaws, gaps the way it should. All your chrome is good. Seems to have all original panels. You can see that line, that GTO line, that gives it to you. They used it to drive. That's what it's built for. When you get down on an angle, you'll see how shiny it is and how straight it is. All your chrome is great all the way throughout. Trunk is in excellent condition. It's got an upgraded sound system inside there that's hidden away because they kept everything original. Really nice with a remote control. Just lines up great. Black top in great shape. Interior wonderful, which I'll show you. That's straight, folks. That's straight. That's a beautiful, beautiful car. Drives out great. We're gonna go for a ride in a little bit. Got a book with some of the receipts. Speakers in the rear. Interior pretty much the way it should be out of the factory. Now here's some more good things that you could all love. Power locks, power windows. Original sticker. Clean. All the way through the cavity. You've got speakers in the kick panels. Door panels are great. It's got tilt steering wheel. Air conditioning, like I said, blows cold. There it is, Ram Air. All original. Look how nice it is inside here. Automatic TH400 transmission. All your wipers work, all your gauges work. 16,741 miles. Let me mute this radio, because here's basically where it's at. See that? So it's all muted up. That out for a second. There you go. Great sounding car. One of my favorites. brakes great. No funky noises. I mean, it's just solid. Okay, we gotta shut that back. It just keeps coming on the radio, so turn that off. Okay, and let's see how we turn it off. Maybe I could shut it off. Folder, bin mode. Okay, I don't know how. Whatever. Power top works great. Let's push it through here. See how it works out. No funky no. I mean, it just handles so well. Yeah, it just wants to keep pulling. Swing it around. Anybody behind me? No. We are located in Addison, Illinois, just 20 minutes southwest of O'Hare Airport. Open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Saturday from 10 to 2, all by appointment only. Grab a pen. I'll give you my number in a little bit, but let's drive this more. Goes through the gears good. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Runs out great. All your gauges are working the way they should. Tack is working. We've got over 185 cars in stock, ready for immediate delivery. We have special financing that's available if you have good credit. Also shipping all over the United States, bonded and insured. All our cars are on our website at mgmclassiccars.com with photos, video, as well as description and pricing. You can reach me if you need any quotes by text or call me, or if you have any questions on any of our inventory at 773-600-0919. Again, my name is Earl. That's 773-600-0919. Like us on Facebook. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for helping me out on this one, because this is a real nice one, folks. Give me a call. Hope to see you or talk to you soon. Have a great day.